Big man. Big man trip. Do you want to throw the ball? Do you want to show everybody how you throw the ball? Throw the ball, Trip. Yeah! Good job! Do you want to throw it again? Oh, just scooch around. Do you want to throw the ball, Trip? Throw it. Yep. Yay! Yeah. You want to work some more on throwing? Yeah. Just throw it down. Yeah. Yay, Trippy! Do you want to throw it? Throw the ball. Throw the ball. Can I see the ball? Oh. Yeah. Do you want to throw it too? Throw it back. Yeah, good job. Boom. Good job. You want to throw it? Yeah, ready to catch. Up. Do you want to throw the ball, Trip? Do you want to poop? Do you want to make poop face instead? That's fun too. Do you want to throw the ball with a poopy diaper now? Yay! Bye! Gotta change our poop pants. And then we'll come back and throw the ball some more.